Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see Phantom Wallet address, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Now right afterwards, get signed in as well. Now right over here, if you want to simply check out the address of your Phantom Wallet, first thing, you can simply go ahead, tap on the networks will be listed right over here in the manage token list. You can check out the address right over here, you can see, and you can see it's showing account too. So if you want to check out a particular account's address, you can tap on that profile icon, account icon on top left corner, tap on this pencil icon beside, tap on account addresses, and you will find the receiving address. You can tap on this QR and for the scanning purpose, right? Otherwise you can go to account address and every network address is simply shown over here. Tap on this QR and you will find the address for it. You can share, you can copy, and you can share to your other people who would like to share it, send you some, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.